Naligo siya, oh. Doon. Dr. Miss.
Ha?
Dr.
Nakakastoy.
Doon. Kikik ka. Doon siya. Wait lang. Ang lamig. Shivering and cold. Vet. It's like a vet. We did 2 cats. Eat the fruit I'm eating. Trying getting it out. Wait guys. Now here we got the fruit that's we're gonna cut it
Isang
and
ligo lang,
eat
patay
it.
na yung mga, mahuhulog na lang sa floor.
Sweet.
Yung mga kuto.
Ganun naman dapat.
Isang ligo lang.
Sweet. Sama na.